The unit circle. What is the unit circle? Well, the unit circle is a circle with a radius of 1 unit centered at the origin. And the origin is 0, 0 on a coordinate plane. Now keep in mind that since this unit circle is placed on the coordinate plane, you will have an x and y axis that you can work with, and you will have a point on the unit plane or on the coordinate plane that you can reference, and that's going to be in what we call ordered pair notation. So this radius I have as a fixed radius here, but this radius, no matter where you put it on the circle, if you would put it here or here, no matter where you put this radius on the circle, is always going to be 1 unit. And something that's really helpful about the unit circle on the coordinate plane is that you will always be able to find the ordered pair for the point that falls on the circle. So this would be an ordered pair of this point, and this would be another ordered pair for this point. So if we have an ordered pair that's in quadrant 1 here, our ordered pair in quadrant 2 would be negative. And then our ordered pair in quadrant 3 would be negative, negative. And our ordered pair in quadrant 4 would be positive, negative. But we'll get into that a little bit more later. So the purpose of the unit circle is to use as a reference tool. It's similar to how we would use a ruler or a protractor as a reference tool. Once we find all of the measurements in the unit circle, we can use all of those measurements to reference different angles and different ordered pairs that are all related to the unit circle. And we can use them to find other measurements later. So right now we're just learning what the unit circle is so that we can use it later as that reference tool.